She can't read, but watch.
Counting with the cat. There were two. There were two children. There were three. There were two children. And one cat. Okay, let's see the story. There were four. There were two children. There, one cat and one fish.
Okay, it's read like this. There were two children, one cat, and one fish.
Mom.
All in the same sentence.
There were six. There were two children. One cat, one fish, and two things. There were seven. There were two children. One cat, one fish, two hens, and one mom. The end.
Good job.